In the second episode, what I want to do is I want to go from my simplified MVP document onto a proper prompt so that I can give AI or myself or a developer the best possible instructions to build this replacement, this new system. So remember how we had these bullet points for creating the checkbox for users, the affiliate dashboard under the My Account, the admin views for the new CPT code referrals, email notifications. These more or less were the features. Now go to ChatGPT and I basically tell it, right, I have this MVP doc. Now please help me turn this into a proper prompt. So after a few iterations and a few improvements, we came up with this. So the prompt is, I want to build a simplified WooCommerce affiliate system, which is an affiliate WP replacement. And the prompt goes like this. Please help me develop a lightweight MVP version of an affiliate system for WooCommerce to replace affiliate WP. I don't want a plugin. All I need is a PHP code snippet that doesn't use classes, so it's only procedural code. This snippet should be built using native hooks, filters, CPTs, user meta, and My Account tab customization without relying on external plugins. Here are the core requirements, and see how we've basically turned these 5 bullet points into something much more granular, much more specific. So the affiliate registration will be manual. So you need to add a checkbox to each WordPress user profile in the admin area to mark the user as an affiliate. I guess you can use the, and this is my knowledge, edit user profile and show user profile hooks. The checkout is only visible and tickable by the administrator, and maybe store these as user meta, for example, _affiliate. Could be anything. Then we move on to the affiliate dashboard. So the front end for the user. If the user is an affiliate, add a custom tab under My Account section. You can reuse businessblueprint.com, blah, blah. I gave him a tutorial that I have on my own website. This tab should display a list of their referrals. This table must include order ID, date, item name, commission, referral status. Table should be showing the last 50 referrals, should be sortable, should provide filters, and should be downloadable so that they can see all the referrals, not only the latest 50. Now move on to the admin dashboard, so the WordPress dashboard. Let's create a custom post type CPT name referral using the documentation. Each referral CPT must store for sure the order ID to connect it to an order, the affiliate user ID to connect it to an affiliate, the order date, even though this maybe can be retrieved from the order ID, the product name, of course, the commission amount, and the referral status, which could be, I guess, pending, paid, or cancelled. Now, if a single order contains different products, of course I need one referral per product because each product could belong to a different affiliate. Also, this is a bonus, I need to import the old affiliate WP referrals, so I need a tool. It could be an SQL statement, could be a CSV import, whatever is easier. I also need to enable bulk edit and quick edit. The commission rules are at the moment 50% upon new WooCommerce order. And finally, the email notification. When a new referral is created and set to pending, send a simple text-only email to the affiliate via WP mail, for example. Include the amount and a link to their My Account tab. Now, you see how this is much more complete than the easy and simple MVP that we wrote earlier. Now we can go onto AI and start building this. Now, you could pass the whole prompt to AI, or you could proceed step by step. It's up to you. This is a lot of work. So what I prefer in this case is doing one section at a time. So what I want to do is basically paste all this prompt into any of the AI systems that you might be using. For example, I have in this case Claude, and paste. But then at the end, I would say, please develop section 1 first. I don't want the whole code, as I want to proceed step by step. So I'm going to copy these as well and paste it onto ChatGPT and paste it onto Gemini as well and hit enter. So let's basically run this same prompt on 3 different AIs. I've chosen Claude, I've chosen ChatGPT, and I've chosen Gemini, and let's see how good the results may be. Here Claude is working, ChatGPT has already done it, I think, or is it still working? Yeah, it is working. Gemini, it seems like it finished. Yes, Gemini finished. Okay, so now what I do is I review the code and that I get, so maybe I can test it immediately and start building my code snippet, which, by the way, will go onto my dev website into a new code snippet that I use for testing, of course. So I would just go onto my list of snippets. I'm going to click on Add New, and I will be reviewing the 3 outcomes and decide which one is better, unless they all gave me very good results. So Gemini here seems like gives me good code for the checkbox. In fact, it's telling me that this function is hooked onto the user profile and is giving me an extra affiliate settings section with is this user an affiliate and an input, which is a checkbox. Then upon save, upon update, it will update user meta or delete user meta. Let's take a look at the other 2. What they did, Claude, once again is using show user profile, add a user profile, giving me a section for the affiliate settings, an input, and then saving on update. So it's the exact same code. Is also giving me a helper function to know if a user is an affiliate, which might be helpful for later. Is also adding a column to the users list in admin to show whether they're an affiliate, and making the affiliate column sortable, handling the sorting. In regard to ChatGPT, what it did is using these 2 hooks to display the affiliate setting input checkbox and these 2 other hooks to save. So while ChatGPT and Gemini did exactly what I asked it for, Claude gave me some extra helper functions, just went its own way, thinking that I would be needing this, but I don't. So I'm just going to copy the ChatGPT code here and paste it onto my new snippet and see if it works. Let me check. Yes, the profile section is only visible if the user can manage options, so if it's an admin, and also once people save the user profile, only if it's the admin, it will actually update the user meta. So I'm going to save changes and activate and go to my own profile in a new tab and see if I can see this custom affiliate section. Yeah, so there is this new affiliate settings, mark user as an affiliate, enable this user as an affiliate, check, update, and let's see if it stays checked upon save. Yes, perfect. So this is already working. We've got user meta defined, and if I uncheck this and update the profile, it should also lose the text box. Perfect. So I'm the admin and I'm able now to define whether each user of my existing website is an affiliate or not. So first phase has now been done, and now I will go on step by step through the other 5 points, through the other 5 sections, trying to come up with code. I'm not gonna cover all this in this video. I'm just gonna work offline for a bit, trying to see which engine gives me the better code. I will then close this episode and get back on episode 3 with the final code and see if we have something usable, something that works, and something that we can then push onto production.